Alright, we had a swarm move into our abandoned hives from last year, and they're a little hot, a little angry, so we're going to try to feed them and then maybe see how that goes. And then this week I'm going to try to maybe split them or see what's going on, open them up and see what's going on. But for right now, I'm just going to try to get them some food, because they were so hot when I opened them up yesterday that, I mean, they chased me. I got stung. You might have seen the other video where I really got stung quite a bit. So we're just going to feed them, and hopefully that they're just angry or hangry, so to speak, and kind of go from there. So I got a sugar water mix, 1-to-1, that I'm going to replace the existing jar that's there and see how that goes. So here we go. Well, I put the food or the sugar water container up there at the hive, and they're still, seems like they're enjoying it. They're definitely going for it already. Hadn't been but maybe 5-10 minutes or so, and had a couple. I'm probably, I don't know, 20-30 feet from the actual hive, and I have a couple of them buzzing around me right now here and there, but they seem like that's what they want, is some food. So hopefully they're just hangry, and this will help them out and calm them down a little bit. I'm gonna come back in a couple days and see, I guess reassess, see what's going on, and go from there. So hopefully we get to open them up and take a look, see what's going on in there. The other day was just kind of a major a major fail as far as opening them up. I should have known better. You know, telltale signs. Should have used common sense and, you know, done this first. But I was excited to see what was going on in there, and excited that, you know, I actually had bees back again. Because last year down here I had, I guess, 3 hives set up right there, and brand new packages. You know, they were all doing great until they just all seemed like they combined, and they all combined in the hive that's on the right now. And then, you know, feeding them, doing everything right, checking for mites, treating them for mites, all that kind of stuff. And this spring, like I said, they were doing good until they weren't. You know, they were just gone. You know, so they just absconded on me, and then, you know, figured, well, that's it for this year. I was a little too late to order a bee package. I think that happened in probably May. I guess they just left. It's now July, towards the end of July right now, almost August right now, and this group just showed up, and like I said, hadn't had a chance to check in there, see if the queen is actually in there, or if it's, you know, what's going on. I kind of assume that there's a queen in there, or if they've made a new queen. I don't really know until I open it up, so we'll see what's going on. You know, try to, like I said, after a couple of days, feed them and see where that gets, see if it settles them down, or I don't know. One step at a time, that's all you can do. Can't jump to step 10 before you do step 1. You can kind of have a plan, but this is Mother Nature we're working with here, so you can make a plan and it'll be completely different by the time you start. So anyway, we'll catch you on the next one. I'll keep you updated, see what's going on, and everybody have a great day. Thanks again.